इंडिया स्पीक्स डेली को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं यदि आपको इसकी पत्रकारिता पसंद हो। धन्यवाद।
Welcome to India Speaks Daily. I am Mr. Narayankar. For the second consecutive day, a very bad news has trickled down from UK. It has left the opposition parties high and dry because Vijay Mallya will be brought back to India and kept in a jail and later interrogated. What happened in England is very important for us to know, but before we could go into it, Mallya's extradition has blown the senses of some opposition leaders and Lutyens Patrakars. They are worried of Mallya revealing some of their names to the investigating officers. So, what really happened in England? It is this: Mallya had escaped to London and had taken refuge. In order to protect himself from extradition, Mallya moved the apex court of the UK, arguing that he would not get justice in India because the matter was politically motivated, and also argued that he had not committed anything wrong and always wanted to give back the money to the Indian banks. Even yesterday, Mallya had tweeted praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi's steps for controlling COVID in India and urged his government to take away all his property and end the money laundering case against him. But will that happen? Is it that easy? However, one thing Mallya has said rightly, and that is the case is politically surcharged. Of course, it is politically motivated because those who enjoyed his jaunts and favors had given political color to the whole matter, and therefore they have to bear the brunt. There is no other way left out for them. Mallya had the last chance to escape extradition but failed after the UK court rejected his plea, thus paving the way for the Indian authorities to bring him back in next 28 days. This news has given sleepless nights to some leaders and Lutyen Patrakars who are involved in the money laundering case against him. They are very well aware of Mallya's intentions to reveal some of the names involved in his fraud to the investigating authorities because he is a kind of a colorful person who would not want to spend lot of time in jail. However, we would like to reveal a few names involved in Mallya's fraud. P. Chidambaram is the biggest fish who could be named by Mallya because there are many documents and papers with the investigating authorities which prove a very strong relationship between them. Mallya's disclosures also might bring a very bad name onto Manmohan Singh because he was then the Prime Minister who openly had talked about helping Mallya's airline company despite knowing that Kingfisher Airliner had accumulated thousands of crores of rupees of NPAs. We would like to bring it to your notice the story of Advantage Strategic Consultancy Limited, which is run by Karti Chidambaram. Mallya had given the company $15,000, calling it as a service charge. Later, it was revealed that the money was taken from Mallya to fix a meeting with Chidambaram and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. This is the Congress culture. Yet another case of Mallya's fraud involves NDTV. Mallya had committed rupees 100 crore as advertisement commitment to NDTV's lifestyle channel, NDTV Good Times. Therefore, we can see the nexus of politicians, Lutyens Patrakars, and businessmen who committed loot of this country extensively. Apart from this, there are many dark secrets of Mallya, and there is not a single Lutyens gang member who has not enjoyed his favors. Everybody has. And those who were attacking Modi government for creating a space for Mallya to escape to UK are now left high and dry. When the names starts to trickle down from Mallya's mouth, there would be lot of spice added to the stories which people would thoroughly enjoy. So friends, we would be keeping a watch on this issue and keeping you updated on the revelations Mallya makes. Until then, keep watching our channel, like our videos and share them too, and also subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.